300 pesos na po sa isang
Drink na? Drinks. Very chocolate. Namigil ito. Ito yung order natin. Additional kimchi and special. There's the baby. Do you miss our baby?
Wala mo ng sauce sa unan.
Yeah.
By the way, madam, this is our guest commenter po. If you okay, this is the correct recommendation. By the way, madam, my name is Juan po.
Oh my God!
How's the first one?
Sarap yan. Where's the hype?
Bugos ko kagad. Okay, so second round. Sarap. Hindi ko alam kung anong difference from the other one. I'll serve yung egg na lang.
That's number 2, di ba?
Okay, so we're on the third piece.
Kung gusto mo lagyan ako.
Okay, so hindi ako mahilig sa raw egg. So siya muna ang alay.
Alay.
So, busog. Second round ko. Ikaw, kaya ba? Kaya ba?
Hindi na. For the sake lang na sayang yung bayad.
Pwede.